Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to integrate this emoji picker inside your React.js application using a third-party module. This third-party module is very famous for integrating this emoji picker. This is specifically made for React.js applications. The name of the module is emoji-picker-react. So if you go to this website npmjs.com, just search for this module emoji picker react. This is actually the module here specifically built for React.js application to pick up emojis. So the command is very simple. You first of all install this module. It's almost got 328,000 weekly downloads. So now how we use it, so we have a very basic React.js application. If you see, so we have a simple functional component right here, app.tsx file right here. So we simply embed this using this component emoji picker. This component is available. It is integrated from importing this import emoji picker, and it is coming from this emoji picker react. As soon as you do this, you will see it will refresh and your application will have an emoji picker, and you can pick any emoji. Let's suppose apple. You will see. So you can see all these emojis are there. You have different categories of emojis right here, so you can easily integrate inside your React.js application using this module. You simply install this and simply embed this by embedding wherever you need to embed this. So we simply embed the component, and if you want to specifically display a emoji, we can actually use emoji component, which will be coming from this library. And this emoji picker, if you see, they have given a great documentation. You can control the width and the height as well. So it actually takes these attributes. You can change the width and the height here. Accordingly, you can give dimensions. Let me say 1280 by 720. You can see you can resize the emoji picker window. So now it is a little bit wider. And also we have a different themes also. So we also have the dark theme as well. So by default it comes with the light theme, but we also have the dark theme. Now if you see, the emoji picker is coming in the dark theme. So it's a fairly good module, guys. You can actually use it inside your React.js application, emoji picker react, and then inside you can pass different options. We can width, height. We can also change the theme here. Different kinds of themes are also present. You can see that. So you can check out their documentation. You can even style this by providing a style object. So this is actually the module, guys. You can actually use this module, emoji picker react, for picking up emojis. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe to channel. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.